The CSS3 folder. Create a file. Create a file. Border radius. Border hyphen radius dot html. Border radius dot html. Come inside HTML head. Follow the style tag. So after that, body, write a division. Which one first you can write? CSS v border radius example. Now write a division. Keep class equal to block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, something like this. Write inside some city name. Bangalore, Mumbai. Then Chennai. Now after that, we can go to the style part. Under the style part, you can write here for body tag, margin 50 px, and background pink color. So all the side there will be gap of 50 pixel. All the side there will be gap of 50 pixel, and background will be pink color. So working. Save now. round is coming as well as divisions are coming. Now we have to write the CSS for this classes. Okay. But since class we are given, we have to write common for all. Give the ID block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. ID equal to block 1. First division ID will be block 1. Second will be block 2, block 3, block 4. ID block 1. Here also change ID equal to block 2, ID equal to block 3, ID equal to. Now for this all we have to write the CSS and change the look and feel and apply the radius. So right here a ID has block 1, height of the division 200, width of the division 200. Phone is there only. Height width, background blue color, then float left and margin px. So height will be 200, width will be 200, background will be blue color, float will be left, and between two the gap will be of one will be leaving to each other as a okay. Next after that let's see it once. One division should appear with in blue color as well as 200 by 200. Blue color 200 by 200. Now copy the same. Click next. ID2 yellow color. Next one will be yellow. After that third one you can give some different color. So green. Fourth one you can give different color. Block 2, block 3 has to change here. Block 4, dark red color. Okay, block 4 dark red color. Check now, block 2 which color? Yellow, block 3 green, block 4 dark red. And everywhere ID is different as a block 2, block 3, block 4. Check now, hope it should work. All 4 block will appear. Now in that radius we need to apply. Radius. So how the radius will work? First block, no radius. In the second block, apply a property called border hyphen radius. Border hyphen radius. Border hyphen radius. Keep here 30 px. After that 0 px, 0 px, 0 px. Is work like a clock. A starting point is top left corner. Starting point is top left corner. So starting is going to happen from the top left corner. Starting going to happen from the top left corner. Next, after that,
Sir, radius, what is the difference between padding and margin? Why we are using radius, sir?
right now you will come to know. So here radius corner got changed. Keep more radius. Maybe keep 100 px. After writing, we'll come to know radius, what is that and where it's reflect. Border radius 100 px, top left corner. You can make a note of this. Top left. The first one is top left, and right here in the line. Top left. First number, top left. Second number, top right. Third number, bottom right. Last number, bottom left. Okay, curve, you know the curve. What is meaning of curve? Curve is called as a radius in CSS. Check now. Top left, right. So this will apply where? Top left corner will be 100 px radius for the second division. Radius happen here. Next you write for the second one. Copy the same line. And go for the second one. Write call first as a 0. second as a 100. First 0, second 100. First 0, second 100. First 0, second 100. Now let us see. You can see here radius happen here. Second corner. In the third division, you apply for the third position. First, second 0, 0. Third keep as a 100. Then you will see. Okay, now you will see the third corner here, bottom right will be curve. Radius by how much? 100 px. Now go to the first block, right inside border hyphen radius 100 maybe. If you give single number, it will apply for all the numbers. If you give the single number, it will apply for all the numbers. Okay. So border radius 100 we given. So it will apply for all the corners. In current page, not current page, for the current division. For the current division, all four corners will get applied radius 100 px. See here, circle happen. All the corners become radius by 100, and after that, right after that, it will become a kind of a radius. So this is called a radius property in CSS3. So hope working for everyone. Create next file that is called boxshadow.html. Next file boxshadow.html. Boxshadow.html. This file I shared in your chat. You can use that if required. Copy the same content, paste in the next file, save the file as a boxshadow.html. box shadow.html. Change the heading here CSS box shadow example. Box shadow example. CSS box shadow example. Now come in that you can remove the radius from all the places. Let it be 4 division as usual and remove the radius from here. Remove the radius from all 4 places. Remove the radius from all 4 places. Right, hope you are ready. After removing that, this page will look like normal divisions and all as it was. Now we will go for the first division, first block. And under the first block, we will add a property called box hyphen shadow. Box shadow. Box shadow. Under the box shadow, the first number reflect from left side. So we'll write here 0 px, 0 px, 10 px, then which color? Black color. Now how it is getting applied? The from left side 0 pixel shadow, from top side 0 pixel shadow, and density. The first number reflect from left, second number reflect from where? Second number reflect from the top, and the third number is density of the shadow, and last is the color of the shadow. Okay. Right. So let's check now how it is happening. The first division, you can see little shadow got applied from all the side in black, but we have to change background is white. Then it will be visible in better way. Background color white. Now let me see how that shadow is coming. You can see little shadow got applied from all side. 10 px we are given. Let's increase little more to 20 px. Density may be little more. You can see shadow surrounding the area got spread. Okay, ready? एक minute. Hello. Tell me. Calling from Okay. Okay, next after that, let's go to the second one. Hope you got some shadow. Come to the second line, block 2. Go here, the right hand side, box shadow, 0px, 0px, 20px, black. Now the first number, let it be same. Second number, change to somewhere 40. And give this one as a 10 only, less density, save it. Box shadow 0px, 40px, 10px for the second one. So not from left side, from the top side. We are giving from top. We are giving from top. Okay, we are giving from top 40px. Let's see how that reflect. You can see here shadow came down. That line let it be same for the third division. You can add here property box shadow from left side also give 40. Left side 40, top 40, and then 10 pixel density and color in black color. Color in black color. Pretty. Save now. Check once how that appear. You can see shadow is coming little down. In the first one, shadow is equal. In second one, down. In the third one, right side. And in fourth one, what you can do is, in fourth one, you can give in minus so that the shadow will go up. From left side, okay, but from top minus 40. So this shadow will go towards up. This shadow will go up. Okay, hope ready. Save now. Check once. Shadow gone to where? Top right. So you can remember this. Only three numbers. First number from left side. Second number from top. Third number is the density.
Sir, can you again tell the position of the box shadow? Like first,
First,
can you repeat again?
first from left side. Second from top. And third is the density. Density of the shadow. And fourth is the color of the shadow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next after that, go for the next example. Hope this is working. I will share you this file in your chat. Box shadow. Create another file. Another file. That file name will be as a text shadow. Text shadow.html. Next file. Text shadow.html. Text shadow.html. Now you can take the copy of box shadow, paste in this file, text shadow. After that, remove this height width from everywhere. Let it be only box shadow, and then box replaced by text. Box replaced by text. There the shadow was getting applied for the division. Now here shadow will get applied for the text. Ready? Now let's come down. Everywhere you have to add the font size. Okay, font size. Somewhere 50 px and keep float left and margin is also required. Okay, no problem. We can check this like this. Font size, add everywhere. Okay, and then you can write a margin property also. Somewhere 40 pixel, so that there will be gap surrounding proper gap. Like this. Now let us run this file, see how text shadow is getting applied. Position remains same here. In the text shadow also, position will be same. Shadow is more, we have to make little changes here. So in the first one, we are given 20 px. Let's reduce to maybe 5 px. 5 px, so that it will look like 3D text. You can see here. In the second one, 10 is more, we can make it a 5, so that it will look like a shadow completely. Second one you can see here. In the third one, collision is happening. Third one, increase the gap maybe 70-80 px. Collision will not happen, will not overlap to each other. 70-80. Now you can see here some changes happen. Shadow of both the side. 10 px I'll change to the 3-4 px. Here also I'll change to 2 px. You can see shadow will get applied on the side. See, this shadow is going up, this shadow is coming down, this shadow is coming down here. This is called text shadow, 3D text. Normally, if you want to display the 3D text, you can use this. So for this top is going, we will keep similar, but from left side, we can keep somewhere 100 or 150. From left side 150. So it should go complete in the right side. It should go complete in the right side. Something like this here. So it's making the double of the text. Okay, hope written. Looking the shadow. Shadow is visible like this. So for text we can make a shadow. For box also we can make shadow. This feature are from the CSS3. Now after this we can work with the next file. That will be some other property. Let's see. Okay, hope ready. Create next file. Next file we can create. Let me share you this file in the chat. Text shadow.html. Next file you write as a opacity.html. 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 You can start from HTML. Box header file we have created. No, a border radius. Border radius file we can take copy because here also design will remain same. Here also the design will be remain same. In that, remove the border radius from everywhere. Remove border radius from everywhere. Hope ready. Now go all the places. Change the background as a red color. All the place background change to red color. In all 4 boxes, change the background as a red color. Hope ready. Check now. CSS 3 opacity example. Opacity example. Run this file. Now we need to apply the opacity. The first block, let it be full red. Second block, apply opacity 0.5, half brightness opacity. In the third block, you apply 0.3 you keep here, 0.5 you keep here, 0.8 you keep here, 0.8. 1 is the full brightness, 0.1 is the lowest brightness, 1 is the highest brightness. So one place we have not written, so default full brightness. Another place opacity 0.3, very less. Second 50% opacity, brightness. third 80% brightness. Okay.
Sir, minimum how much we can give and maximum how much?
Minimum 0.1 and maximum 1. Minimum 0.1 and maximum 1. See, this is the brightness. This is 0.3, very less. 5 50%, 8 80%, and the first one is we have not written, so it's a default 100%. This is called opacity. Okay, go for next example. Let me share this file in chat.
Sir, opacity means brightness, right? Huh?
Brightness. Start from 0.1, end by 1. Minimum is 0.1, maximum is 1. Okay. Now create the next file, linear gradient. Linear gradient. Li linear hyphen gradient dot html. In that, we can take the copy of opacity file. Okay. Next, after that, increase the height and width. Height keep 300. Width also keep 300. And 300. Change everywhere. Height and width 300 by 300. Okay. After that, background we have given. Now write here background hyphen image. And call a function called linear hyphen gradient, linear gradient. Linear gradient. Linear gradient will help you to set multicolor combination. Like same division will have half is red, half is green. Half is something, half is something. Okay, so you will write here red, green. So half will be red color, half will be green color. Now how you will write? To left. So towards left. First should be green and then second should be red. Or maybe to right also you can write. To right. Now same line we can copy and paste here. We can keep three color. Red, green, blue. Same line we can add here. To right, to left, to top, to bottom. To bottom. You can add n number of color, no problem. To left, to right, to top, to bottom. 4 combinations are there. Hope ready. Save the file. Check once. The division will be of different color combination. You can say this is for linear gradient. Opacity was added. You can remove the opacity from all the place. Opacity was added. You can remove opacity. Then it will look more better. Color will reflect properly. See, coming. Remove opacity and then check all 4 places. Hope working. Let me share this file.
Sir, my background displays different.
What is happening?
Sir, only it's like before page opacity.
I sent all file in chat. You can download that. All 4 files after writing I have shared in the chat. Okay, then go for the next file. Next file will be not animation. We can write something else. Multi-column. Create the next file. Give the file name called multicolumn.html. 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 You can start from HTML. Follow the head section. Right here style. Follow the body. Inside body. Next one. Multi-column. CSS. Okay. Okay, so come inside, write the paragraph. P should be a small only, not capital. Inside the paragraph, you can write some bulk text. Because without writing multiple column, you are going to make multiple column through the CSS. Copy, paste, 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 paste many times. If you give more content, then only you will understand. ID equal to 3. Now copy the same content, paste after this, ID equal to 2. Reduce the length of the content. Create 2 paragraph. One paragraph ID is 3. Another paragraph ID is 2. ID is 3. ID is 2. If written, now come to the style part. Write for #2 column count. Column count 2. For #3 column count 3. So inside that paragraph, whichever the text level, it will break into 2 column and 3 column automatically using this property. Column count 2 and column count 3, automatically it will make 3 columns. Okay, hope ready. Save the file, run it. See how that look. One place 3 column and another place 2 column. This is called column count. Without float left, without width, without height. Using this column count property, you can break the contents into multiple columns. This is especially for text purpose. This is especially for text purpose. Hope written, column count 2, column count 3. Save the file. And we'll check once. Hope similar. How many columns? 3 column or no column? 3 columns should come in first and 2 columns should come in the next.
Yes, similar.
We have
Here, similar.
few more property we have 5, 6 that we'll see tomorrow. Animation, transition. And after that your CSS will end. Then we'll enter into the bootstrap. Media query, flags box. After that, next we have called related to position and some more property that we can see tomorrow. 10 o'clock we can log in, 10 to 12. Let's see the
Sir, for this any assignment for this properties?
assignments. For this, we don't have any assignment. Once we complete tomorrow, then I'll give you some photos. You can try that.
Because we have to try in live projects now how it is working. So that's why.
Now, tomorrow class, I'll give you some photo. You can try that.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Share this file in the chat. You can download it.
Sir, HTML5 properties you will teach us, or the Siddharth sir will be JavaScript you will cover?
Now we'll be teaching tomorrow HTML5 and CSS3. HTML5, whichever the tags we have, I will combine together tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
In Bootstrap also you have HTML5 tags.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Multi-column file. Yeah, this came to your chat. You can download it. Okay, you can log out. See you tomorrow 8 o'clock.